Hello everyone! In this video, I'll share a little secret with you on how to make the incredibly popular red velvet cake without using artificial coloring. At the end of the video, I'll show you a delicious and appetizing slice of our mulled wine red velvet cake. It's our seasonal winter flavor with spiced berry compote and vanilla namelaka. It's absolutely delicious. The red velvet cake originated in America in the 1870s. It was named so because its layers were soft and tender like velvet and chocolatey. The intense red-brown color was the result of the reaction between heated non-alkalized cocoa and buttermilk. Originally, there was no artificial coloring used. These days, almost everyone makes this cake using red artificial coloring, but the concept of our cakes has always been natural ingredients. So, with your and our customers' health in mind, we decided to share with you our version of red velvet with completely natural ingredients. These beautiful, naturally colored cake layers were made according to our basic chocolate cake recipe. We simply replaced the red coloring with fermented red rice powder. This rice was discovered by the Japanese. It's called koji and can rightfully be considered a superfood. It contains enzymes that improve digestion, it's considered beneficial for intestinal health, and it even lowers cholesterol levels. We replaced 2/3 of the cocoa in our recipe with koji rice, but there is a crucial factor involved: the color of your cocoa. Natural cocoa is always a light color. When cocoa undergoes alkalinization to reduce its natural acidity and extend shelf life, it becomes dark. Alkalized cocoa has a neutral pH level and doesn't react with baking soda the way natural cocoa does. So for red velvet, use the lightest colored cocoa you can find. We've already posted our mulled wine red velvet cake recipe on our website, where we provide valuable recommendations on the cocoa, fermented rice, berries, and spices you will need. You can, of course, make red velvet cake from your favorite chocolate cake recipe, but this tested and trusted recipe will save you time and money on experiments, so I'll leave the link for you below the video. Now, our goal was to create a winter variation of the red velvet cake since Christmas orders are already starting to come in. For the cake's filling, we made a vanilla namelaka with white chocolate and added a bit of natural vanilla paste to it for beauty and elegance. It has an incredibly delicate taste and a soft, creamy consistency. We gave the cake a winter feel with a berry compote flavored with mulled wine spices. It's very quick and easy to make, and the aroma immediately creates a Christmas mood. Everyone loves mulled wine, so such a cake will be in demand all year round, not just in winter. Now let's take a look at a slice of our cake. The color is very delicate and elegant, and what's most important is that the filling coincides with our principles of using only natural ingredients. So we can enjoy it ourselves, and it's safe to feed our children with. Visit our school's website for new lessons, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for even more interesting and useful information on how to make cakes. Share in the comments if you liked our idea of the red velvet cake. This was Nastasia and the Elegant Sweets channel. Bye bye, till next time!